This is Jenny Hoyos, one of the fastest growing shorts creators on the platform, getting 600 million views on shorts, and she averages 10 million views per video. How does she do this? We're going to break down how she does this. She knows something about the algorithm that we don't. Every second counts on a YouTube video. Go to your analytics and see a video that has a dip in one area, maybe in the beginning or near the end, and edit it out using the YouTube Studio. This is a secret tactic that can help you blow up your video. Once the YouTube algorithm sees that your video is being watched from beginning till end, then it will push it out and make it go viral. This video is going to have a deep dive. I know her channel is more about shorts, but this also applies to long form videos as well. A bit about her backstory.
Have you ever wanted to rob a bank? Me too.
So I did it legally.
By getting a bucket of coins from the bank, and if I find a rare one, it could be worth $1,000. So let's see how much money I can make from finding these rare coins.
She began playing chess at a professional level from the age of 7, which made her mind more tactical and logical. She started YouTube at the age of 8. Her parents were actually entrepreneurial as well, and they passed down that spirit. She does videos about flipping, affiliate marketing, retail arbitrage, and a lot of other side hustles. Her videos were mainly about saving money, but she always says this is not financial advice. There are news articles about her all over the internet, and she has over 6 million subscribers. Okay, another thing that she does is she steals ideas from other videos. To find out good ideas for the title of your video, you can use the titles that other people have used. You can try to guess and see what works for you. You can do trial and error, just seeing what works, but it's better if you actually use something that has been proven already. Okay, something that she does is she has over 1,000 ideas written down in her Google Docs in a document. You need to start taking notes. Every time you watch a good video, take note of the title and the URL of that video. Just keep the link for that video and have a huge list of titles that you want to make a video for. Do like 100 and then just keep 10 of them and make videos on those. Focus more on coming up with good ideas. Also, another way is while you're going through life, while you're just going about your day, you can find good ideas that just come to you. This is also a bonus tip from me. Have you noticed that when you're sitting down or relaxing or chilling, that is when ideas come to you? In order to get into a relaxed creative state, you can do 3 things. Go to a quiet place, sit down and do breathing. Breathe in through your nose for 7 seconds, hold it for 7 seconds, and then breathe out for 7 seconds. What this does is it stimulates your vagal nerve and it allows you to relax and calm down. After a bit, you will start to feel a little bit sleepy when you close your eyes and just get really relaxed. What happens is your brain goes into an alpha state and you're able to be more creative. And if you're more creative, you can create good content. My name is Mahad from 2Puzzle here. Let's make it to the top together. Grind, don't stop. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. I create videos about how to help you grow on YouTube. If this video is helping you out so far, then I'll ask you to hit that like button. It will only take you a second to do. And also, let me know down in the comment section below if you think it's okay to take an idea from another YouTuber and just change something and then use it for your own video. Do you think that's okay? Let me know down in the comment section below. Okay, in this video she's talking about if first class is worth it. She immediately sits down quickly, which is something that Mr. Who's the Boss does as well. It kind of grabs your attention. Then she breaks down what the video is going to be about, the 3 points that she's going to cover. She asks the question and then she tells you what the video is going to be about. She puts the 3 points there: comfort, amenities, and service. There was no gaps in there. It was all fast paced. So she's breaking it down, saying that how comfortable it is. The camera angle keeps changing and there's text coming up on the screen showing the rating. The camera keeps changing again, going to first person, and then it switches back to Jenny. And now the lighting has changed and there's more text and there's more graphics as well. So the video is very, very fast paced. She asks a question in the beginning and breaks down what the video is about. It just keeps you watching till the end. There's literally not even a second wasted, not even half a second wasted in that video. So that's what she does on her shorts. I don't really talk about shorts on my channel that much, but this is something that you can also apply to your videos. Make them fast paced, keep changing the camera angle, all of that. Okay, that's the end of this video. I hope that has helped you out a lot. If you are also trying to figure out how to get more views and then make money from those views, check out this video right here that I have made for you.